Good morning. Welcome to Mama Sue's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. It's beautiful here today. And I got a crock pot out because I'm going to cook something so easy today while I'm out of the kitchen. It's going to do the cooking for me. And I was just going to show you what it is. And this recipe is in my dear friend Miss Annie's cookbook. And it's her Aunt Lannette's Crockpot Chicken. It's on page 23 for those of you who have ordered and gotten your cookbook. Just know that if you want one, you go to her site, which is Miss Annie's Home and Kitchen, and you'll see how that you can order this. But all it is it says 4 large chicken breasts, and it says frozen or fresh. Now, I don't have the whole breast. I have the breast tenderloin, so I'm going to put a couple more than 4. But these are good size. So, all right. Then, you're going to mix 1 cup of chicken broth. Now, there's more in there, but I measured out a cup. Let me get my whisk. And 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Okay. And 1 envelope of the Italian dressing mix. And I'm going to whisk this together. And I'm going to pour it over the chicken. And now this is a crock pot liner that I absolutely love. They're slow cooker liners. If you're interested in them, you can go to my website, mamasue'ssouthernkitchen.com, and look under my favorite things. And you will find where you can order it, and it sure does make cleanup a lot easier. All right. And the next thing that you'll add is 1 stick of butter and 1 8-ounce cream cheese. And Aunt Lannette just says to cut it into cubes on top of this mixture. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just cutting it in cubes, putting it on top. And her recipe says that you can serve it over mashed potatoes or rice. And right now I'm thinking I'm going to serve it over rice, because we've had mashed potatoes since we've had rice. Should have opened this before I got on here, so I'll just cut it. Okay. And I'm going to cut it in cubes also. Now, Carol and I have some errands to run today, and when we come home later tonight, when it's time to eat, our supper is going to be ready, and That's the kind of meals I like. Got a little bit more. I'll just take my little spatula. That's soft. That may be why it's not cubing as much, but you know, it'll be melted. And then tonight, when we're ready to eat it, what we're going to do is I will take 2 forks and I'll shred the chicken, and all this soup that's in here will be so good over rice. All right, I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to cook it on low for 4 to 6 hours. Or you could cook it on high for 3 to 4. But since I'm going to be gone for a while, I'm going to cook it on low. But I'll be back and show you the finished. Okay, this Aunt Lannette's crockpot chicken cooked for 6 hours in the crockpot. When we came home from running some errands today, my house smelled so amazing. And the only thing that I have done is I made some rice, and I took 2 forks and I just shredded the chicken in with the soup that it made, and it was so tender it just fell all apart. So I'm going to serve it on the rice. And you have your rice and your chicken and gravy all together, and it is amazing. You can't get any easier than this, and it's yummy. I think you'll really like it. And if you wanted to have a salad with it, or open a can of green peas, or whatever your favorite vegetable is, but a salad would be great with it. I thank you for joining me. I thank you for sharing my page. More than anything, I just thank you for being my friend. But if you want this cookbook, it is my friend Miss Annie's book that I got this recipe out of. Miss Annie's Home and Kitchen, and it's on page 23. So just know that we love you, and I'm not going to leave without saying, be salt and light. Let others see Jesus in you.